Today I am out here in the Gulf, guys. I'm about, I would say probably 18 miles northwest. I'm out here in the Gulf, and my main targeted fish species today is grouper and hopefully some snapper. And I've already was out here about a week ago, and I caught some bait, and I cut the bait fish up, and that's what I'm going to be using to catch grouper and snapper. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get hooked on fishing. So here's the bait I'm using, guys. I caught that grunt earlier, and I filleted him up. And this is fresh meat, so the skin is real tough. And so I am putting him on this 7-aught hook here, and I'm gonna throw this out there. And this is what I'm trying to catch those grouper on. Oh, got one. Oh. He's a nice one. These suckers are fun to catch when you're not catching grouper. Oh, it's a grouper. All right, look at that. Oh, yes. It's a grouper. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's a grouper, not a keeper, but that's what I'm fishing for. I'll put this little guy back. Got another one, guys. I think it's a grouper. Oh, it's a another grunt. Another grunt. Another grunt. Another grunt, guys. Not what I'm going for today, but it's fun catching them. Another grouper. Or it could be a snapper, or yeah. The weight of him. Oh yeah, nice. 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 Wow. You about swallowed that, didn't you, buddy?